who ordered the killings of our innocent citizens. From where did the command to massacre those people come? Let the Holy Spirit of God at this very moment take over this speech, that it will get the required result, namely not to instigate violence, namely not to cause division, but to bring life, peace, and to restore the dignity of the Nigerian person. First of all, I begin with the message to the youths. Message to the so-called vandals. I just want to tell you, in the name of all that is holy, for the sake of the sovereignty and dignity of this nation, for the sake of peace, justice, equity, and for the safety of everyone who lives in this nation, stop vandalizing the properties. Two wrongs cannot make a right. It is very clear. If nobody will say it, the priest of God will say it, the prophet of God will say it. It is very, very clear and duly established with evidences that many of our politicians are looters and thieves. If you go to break the warehouses, burn down the police stations, kill and maim people, destroy businesses that are set up through the sweat of innocent citizens, you have almost become the same thing with our politicians. Two wrongs cannot make a right. Some days ago, I overheard the prophet of God, Father Bibemonso Emmanuel Obima, the prophet of God in Onitsha, calling the youth to cease fire, because this will only cause more harm than good. Let your grievance, let your valor, let your own anger be expressed in actions that are worthwhile. As it began peacefully and has continued peacefully before this attack, it is an argument that is more than burning, destruction, and breaking into things. It is very clear that they do not want us to have what our right is. But I beg you, allow the forces of this peaceful protest to deal with them ruthlessly. Do not add violence to the maltreatment that we all have been getting in this nation, so that posterity will vindicate you. My question to the government, both of Lagos State, federal government, and the authorities of the armed forces of the nation is, who ordered the shooting? Nobody have seen to own up. The state government of Lagos is not aware. The federal government is not aware. The command, the central command of the armed forces is not aware. We presume that those army and soldiers came on their own, removed the cameras, carried out an organized plot, and yet nobody knows where they are coming from. Nobody is laying any accusing finger, but for the sake of the dignity of human life in Africa, in Nigeria, in our nation, we beg you to carry out adequate investigation that is transparent, and whereby this is done, and those who have carried out this evil action are brought out, let them face the justice according to the rule of law. And because these people seem to have died for no reason, they seem to have been wasted, and nobody is asking questions, the blame will eventually come back to the government of this city of Lagos and the federal government, as the case may be, if at the end of the day nobody is found, the unspoken word of every citizen in this nation is calling you to do something and to react responsibly as people who have human heart within their spirit.